guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Chante.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
So today I did absolutely nothing because it was literally 10,000 degrees outside. So this is actually my very first video that I make at night, and the reason for that is because Tristan bought me LED lights. As you can see, he bought me LED lights, so I just feel like I can show the lights off more now because it's night and it's standing out more. So I am one of those YouTubers now that has an LED light. So I'm on the next level now because I have the lights. So let me quickly show you guys how it looks. It goes up, 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 up. It's very nice. And then also I wanted to show you guys how my fish tank looks. So this morning I decided to cut up 2 pieces of cucumbers because it is known to like cure swim bladders in fish. But now I came back and I saw like all of my snails are on the cucumbers instead of the fish eating it. So I'm just gonna leave it in for like 2 days because the cucumbers can go off and not be good for the water. So I'm just gonna leave it in for today and then tomorrow. And then my gourami has been settling in very nicely and well. And also, fun fact, to like tell the difference between male and female of a gourami is the female's fins are more like wider and circly, whereas the male's fin are more sharper. So fun fact for those of you that didn't know. Also, when I got him, I named my gourami Jacob or Jacob, but I found out that he's a girl, so I'm naming her Jessica. And then the other fish are still in need of some names. So if you got some cool fish name ideas, this is so like weird, but yeah, I'm naming my fish. If you have cool fish name suggestions, comment down below and then I'll choose a fish name. I need 3 fish names, but there's Jessica swimming, all happy. So enough chit-chatting. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I made Tristan's gift basket. Mainly for Valentine's Day, but if you have like a brother or a sister or like a stepfather's brother that you really want to spoil, then you can get them this gift basket. So for any special occasion, can be for Christmas or for Valentine's Day, for their birthday. If they graduated, you can just like get something that they really like and just put it all in a basket. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then additionally, I made a memory pop-up box. So I mentioned it in this video, so you guys can have a look at that. I'll also leave a link in the description box down below. Anyway, and I feel like I wanted to add it because I wanted to put a personal touch to it, a more personal touch to it, and it's super easy to make. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so you'll need a ruler, a punch, I think that's what you call it, pictures, paper, a box. I actually got this at Levisa. It's a jewelry box, but I decided to reuse it because it's anyway just in my cupboard. Then you'll need string or any like type of rope or whatever, Prit, scissor, pens, a nice quote. That's optional, you don't have to do that. And then pictures. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to measure 56 centimeters, 8 centimeters down, 56 centimeters and 8 centimeters up. So we're going to have 7 blocks of 8 centimeters each. So you're either going to have to paste 2 A4s together or get an A3 poster to get the 56 centimeters. So after cutting the paper, you are going to sit with this. 56 centimeters, I think this is worth down 8 centimeters, 56 centimeters again, and then up 8 centimeters. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure 8 centimeters from this point to this point, and you're going to make a fold. you're going to measure 8 centimeters again from this point to this point, and you're going to fold, and you're going to do that until you have 7 blocks. So you're going to sit with this like a bouncy thing.
I had a chip on my shoulder, had to let it go. Some forgiveness keeps them in control. I came in with good intentions, then I let it go. And now I really wanna know what if I trip? What if I fall? Then I'm all the monster. Just let me know. What if I sin? What if I break it? Then I'm all.
What I did was I took a quote and I made sure like it's a longish quote, and then I put it like I cut it in different phrases. So the quote I took was, I love you for all that you are, for all that you have been, and all that you will be. I'm just going to paste that on and then add the last finishing touches, and then I'll show you guys how to put it in the box.
While you're out there drinking, I'm just thinking about where I should have been. I've been lonely. Water pouring down from the ceiling. I knew this would happen. So hard to believe it. Maybe I'm dramatic. I don't wanna see me. I don't wanna panic. I'm a sad girl in this big world. It's a mad one. All of my friends know it's heaven. You're a bad thing. I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya.
And there you have it, almost done. This is a very easy and quick gift idea that your loved one will definitely love and adore. You can of course like put glitters on if you'd like. I put the rope here so that when you put it in the box, then you can just pull on the rope, and then you'll see the pictures pop up like this. So, ooh, I love it, guys. I love it. And it was so easy to make, I promise you. If you don't have a box, or if you don't want to put it in a box, this will do fine just like this. You can even just hang it like on your wall. So then it looks like this. Or if you have a box, you can put it in a box. I'm going to put it in a box. I'm going to show you guys how it will look. So this is the box I have. I explained to you guys that I got it from Lovisa. I just put a black heart on it because it looked like very plain. So there was like a bouncy thing here, a bouncy cardboard thing. So I just took that out. So what you're going to do now is you're going to fold it up. You're going to take the bottom part and you're going to put glue on the bottom part. And you're going to paste it on like this. And then, when you're done, put your lid on.
Raise me up into the sky until I'm short of breath. Till I'm short of breath. Fill me up with confidence to say what's in my chest. Spill my words and tear me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fill me with the rest. But what if I trip? What if I fall? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. What if I sin?
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.